How to install JMA 1/2-inch Superflex connectors. Step 1. Prep. To begin, straighten the cable and using RD Cutter S, apply even pressure while rotating the tool around the cable to cut squarely. If using JMA's waterproof solution, add the WPS boot now. Attach the proper SP-12S-01 prep tool to the drill. Actuate the drill to remove the jacket and expose the center conductor. Proper prep is achieved when the center conductor is chamfered. Remove the included core 12S-01 core bit from the SP-12S-01 tool body. Insert the chamfered center conductor into the center hole of the core bit, taking care not to scratch the center conductor. Actuate the drill, allowing it to plunge and remove the foam. Allow at least one full rotation after the tool has reached the outer conductor and carefully remove the bit. Inspect the center conductor for scratch marks and remove any loose bits of foam that are detached from the cable. Use Center Conductor Cleaner SPCC tool to remove any remaining dielectric material on the center conductor. If using a plenum cable, attach SP-PLV into a standard vacuum hose. Insert the prepped cable end at a downward angle. Tap the cable while vacuuming to remove any remaining dielectric material. Step 2. Install. Align the outer conductor edge with the marking line on the cap. Mark the cable jacket in line with the end of the connector. Use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the inner and outer conductors thoroughly. Thread the connector onto the cable until it reaches the alignment mark and the connector spins freely on the cable. Step 3. Compress. Pull the sliding assembly back using the frame set's side grips. Insert the connector so that the connector and cable lie flat in the frame. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Press the HCG trigger until the tool fully cycles. When fully compressed, the connector will move away from the alignment mark.